big fan of the Chicago Ideas Festival, and now really the year round.
You have a festival here that brings in the very best from all around the world.
Human connection is the most vital and most valuable thing that we actually can share with one another, that actually vitalizes us and animates us.
It's time that we collectively try and do the right thing.
There's talks that you're able to actually learn something from it.
There is literally no better way to show off Chicago than showing someone Chicago ideas.
We have to hear one another. We have to respect one another.
I think it starts all locally.
I think it's really important that as many people as possible in their neighborhoods have an opportunity to share their ideas, share their music.
Once we get everyone collectively pooled together, particularly in a neighborhood that needs more investment, positive change can happen.
I think it's transformative for our city.
Why does each person's story matter?
Because no one person can or should shoulder the burden of helping us understand every facet of the human experience.
It definitely energizes me to go out into the world and try to be the best person I can be.
Sometimes you catch an idea that you fall in love with. The idea tells you everything. It tells you how to do it, how to go.
Chicago Ideas really provides a panel of people who are authentically themselves.
A good lesson here is when there are persistent rumors of something gross, don't assume that that's all there is.
We have to pick up our own brush and determine who and what we will be. Just another painting or a masterpiece?
It brings people together around a particular theme. We are focused on making sure that we continue to push the public narrative.